dragon fire for Opaline! Evil laugh!
No! Be loyal to your friends! Happy laugh!
Hey, Misty! What you doing?
Just, admiring this grass. Green. No inner struggle between good and evil over here.
Misty, where are you?
Cleansing its energy. Love a good energy cleanse.
Can I help?
Nope. All good. I got it.
There's something strange about that necklace. You've been acting kinda weird lately.
That was you?
Pretty funny, huh?
Yes. Ha ha ha.
Zip's right. Why don't you just take it off for a little bit?
No! I can't take it off. It's really special to me. Now, if you don't mind, I've got errands to run. That was too close. Ooh, shadow berries. They're Opaline's favorite. Don't move.
Can't take it off, huh?
She's gonna love me for at least 5 minutes when she sees these. Huh? Necklace? Where are you? I said don't move!